Hi friends, today I am going to share you very simple and effective drink for faster hair growth. This drink is rich in beta carotene and protein content, which are very key elements in preventing hair loss and thinning of hair. Moreover, this drink is an excellent remedy for preventing and reversing grey hair. So without wasting much time, let us check it out how to prepare this magical drink for hair growth. One of the major ingredients to prepare this magical drink is none other than curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants, which helps in keeping your hair healthy and strong. Curry leaves are rich source of vitamin B, which helps in preventing premature graying of hair. Curry leaves increases your hair growth and also makes your hair smooth, soft and shiny. Next ingredient, curd. Curd reduces scalp infections and also nourishes your hair. Initially, add cup of curry leaves to a grinding jar. Next, add 3 to 4 teaspoons of curd to it. Add pinch of pepper to it. Add pinch of jeera to it. And add pinch of salt to it. And finally add half glass of water to it and grind it well. After grinding, strain it and serve it to a glass. That's all. Magical hair growth drink is ready to serve. You can consume this drink at any time during the day. On regular consumption of this drink, surely you will notice visible results in your hair growth and hair density. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap on bell icon for further notifications.